'Cause I already got a good thing with me. Yeah, I already got everything I need.
사랑을 했다 우리가 만나 지우지 못할.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making Korean short ribs and then bulgogi. I can never pronounce it right, so I'm gonna insert it right here because I always have a hard time saying it. Anyways, I'm gonna make them both today. And so I went to the Asian market. I got two green onions right here. I only needed one, but it was two for $1, so I got two. I got beef, a pound of beef. I thought it would be more, but it's only this much. But they're pretty expensive. It was like $8 for this 1 pound right here. And then I got short ribs, which short ribs is pretty expensive too. It's like $9 for these, just for this much. So I have the ribs here, and then the meat here. And then I have brown sugar. Which we already have. We don't have sesame oil because I finished it last time, so I'm gonna use olive oil instead of that. And then I have onion here and garlic. So I'm just gonna marinate everything first and then leave it for like a couple hours and then cook it. So yeah. Okay, so I just want to let you guys know that this is my first time making it. I've been eating Korean barbecue and I had it once this week, and then did I have it once this week or twice? Oh, twice this week. So it's really good, so I actually wanted to try and make it myself. So yeah, hopefully it turns out good. The fact that I don't have sesame oil and I'm using olive oil, hopefully it still tastes good. So yeah, so you guys see this in all my videos, but I start off with garlic, and then I'm going to chop the garlic and then the onion. So usually that's like really the routine and video that you guys see that I always do. So yeah, I'm gonna speed up this process. Okay, so I cut the onions, and like I don't know why, but I literally don't know to cut onions and not make myself cry. I know like I've learned like you shouldn't cut like the two end parts because that's what makes you cry, but like I literally cut them first because I hate taking the little shell off of it. But anyways, it's making me cry. And then the garlic, I cut up the garlic too. I know it's like a mess, but like we've had garlic in our house for a little bit, so I think some of them dried up, so like I have to go through the pieces that aren't dry. But yeah, but I've cut out the onion and now I'm gonna blend everything together. Okay, so I'm gonna blend everything together. So I have soy sauce. I'm using dark soy sauce. I know I shouldn't be using light, but I'm using regular soy sauce. I have two because this one's running out. The onion, the garlic, I'm using olive oil instead of sesame oil, and then I have brown sugar, and then I have the green onion, which I'll put in after. So hopefully this turns out good. So yeah, but I'm not doing the full on ingredients, so yeah. Hey, anyways, so I just did my nails white, and then like I swear everything I've touched and ate and everything this week has like it's just soaked into my nail. It's such a waste because I literally just had my nails for like a couple days. Anyways, so like I ended up like doubling, like tripling everything on this because I couldn't like tell if it was like enough or not. So anyways, I'm gonna pour all the sauce into a bowl. And the thing just fell off of it. Embarrassing. Anyways, so see here, go touching stuff again. Anyways, I'm gonna have to redo my nails now because it's so gross. Anyways, so I have everything in here. I'm trying not to make a mess, which I am making a mess. I'm probably gonna have to redo my nails. Anyway, so I have everything in the bowl now, and then I'm going to put the green onion in. I bought so many green onions, like this is a lot of green onions. Anyways, I need to grab a scissors. Some big green onions. Should not be big green onions, it should just be like, you know, medium size. Plus I think I just cut too much too because who knows why, because I ended up cutting too much because there was just a lot. Anyways, and then you're gonna put your onions in, which I need to cut up even more. Anyways, now I'm going to take this fork and mix it. So mix everything up. I literally cut the onions huge, but mix everything up. Literally, it's a mess in this bowl. So I have everything mixed in this bowl. the mess I currently have right now. So I'm gonna marinate the meat. Okay, I'm like literally my nails are white, so I don't want to get them like dirty. So I'm going, and I don't have clear like regular latex gloves, so I have clean dish soap. Okay, anyways, so this is our mix, which no clue if it's right or wrong because I've used every ingredient wrong to this. And then I'm going to take, I guess I'll take this meat, open it up. I never record my style.